How to change email on Facebook account. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can change email on your Facebook account. So let's dive in. So first open up your Facebook app and then click these three lines on the bottom right corner, and then you have to just click the settings and privacy option. If you scroll down you'll see it over here in this list. Once you click it, you have to click settings, and then it's going to bring you to this settings and privacy menu, and now you have to click see more in account center. Now you simply have to choose personal details under the account settings, and once you do so it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to click contact info. Now you have to click add new contact, and then you have to click add email address. Now you simply have to just add an email address over here, and you can choose accounts for this email address by clicking over here. Now once you add your email address, click next over here, and then it's going to send a confirmation code to your email, and you have to enter that confirmation code over here. Once you add the confirmation code, now click close as you have added your email address to the account selected, and then click close. Now you can go to this email address over here, and then you can just delete this email address by clicking delete email address, and then click delete, and it's going to delete this email address and it's going to add the new one. And that's how you change your email address on Facebook account. Thanks for watching.